If you would like to make a shadow analysis, for that, of course, you need to know where your building is on the globe. And we are even not speaking about energetic calculations, because for that as well, you will need the same information. So there are many reasons to do that, and the ways you can do that is also at least two or three places in the software where you can do it. First things first, if you simply only would like to set up the north direction, which is actually represented at the bottom of the screen, you can just simply click on this one, set up a new north direction, which is parallel to the one that I actually designed, or I can actually use the proper value, because now I know that it should be this one. So I say okay, and then now the real north direction, the building's north direction, is pointing to the same direction than the drawing north direction was pointing to. That's only the north direction. This can be found as well in File, BIM, and Project Parameters. You know, this is the place where you can fill up all the data at any time, and you can just customize and change them continuously. And that's where you can also find the project location. So if you actually click here and you click on Set North Direction, that will do the same thing that happened here. Prompted. Now, if I would like to, I can go to the predefined city list and set up a city from this list, if I have the luck to design into any of these cities, and say okay. But if it's like a smaller city which is not in the large city list, then I can simply go and find that location on Google Maps. So this is what I do now. I go to Google Maps, and then when it comes up, I need to set up this position somewhere where it should be. Now for that, I need to select a land. I need to type an address, and this time this will be
where this building is going to be standing. So
this time it will be this building, I mean this city address, and this should be that land over here. It's an empty land.
Manually move the marker now if you want.
Yeah, and what I need to do now, this text means satellite, so I click on satellite view, and then I can see that there is an empty land here, and then I just move this marker to where I would like to set up my project origin to, and this is how the software will be able to align your site, your building with the site. We have set up the location of the building itself, and that's good enough so that we can make a shadow analysis of this building.